Good morning, my students. How are you today? Are you fine? That's good. Okay, girls, are you excited to start my own lesson for today? That's good. Okay, girls, let's start my own lesson for today by asking you about the day and the date. Who can tell me, girls, what's the day today? Today is Sunday. Let's spell the word Sunday. Sunday, and the date is 24 to 1442 after Hijrah. Okay, girls? Now, let's take a quick revision before starting my own lesson for today. First of all, I want you to make 5 sentences using the present continuous. Number 1, I am watching TV. 2, he is swimming. 3, they are playing basketball. 4, I am reading a book. 5, she is helping her mother. Okay, girls? Now I want 2 sentences using as plus adjective plus as. For example, Amal is as tall as Selma. The dolphin is as cute as a fish. Okay, girls? Now, today, inshallah, we will start taking lesson 3 in unit 3. And as you know before, this unit is about sports and activities, page number 20 and 21. Please, girls, now I want you to open your box, page number 20 and 21. Write the day with the date, then close your box. Okay, girls? Write the day with the date in your box on page 20 and 21, then close your box. Okay, girls? Now, here, I want you to copy these questions and answers in your notebook. What sports does she like? She likes basketball. What sports does she want to try? She wants to try volleyball. Okay, girls, you should copy these questions and answers in your notebook. And don't forget to write the day and the date. Okay, girls? Now, let's start my own lesson for today by verb helpers. I have verb helpers. What do I mean by verb helpers? I mean here in my lesson, does and do. Does and do. So verb helpers, I mean does and do. Okay, girls? Now, when can I use does? When can I use does? Does is used with third person singular pronouns. With third person singular pronouns. What do I mean by third person singular pronouns? I mean he, she, and it. He, she, and it. We can use does and he with questions, girls. For example, with what? With questions. For example, does she play football? Again, does she. So here does. Does, we started my questions by does. Does she play football? Let's see question number 2. Does he play football? And number 3, does it rain today? So, if you want to ask questions using does or do, you should start with does and do, okay? Then you should use the correct pronoun. So, does she, does he, does it. Okay, let's answer. Does she play football? You can say yes, she does. No, she doesn't. Yes, does he play football? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Does it rain today? Yes, it does. No, it doesn't. Okay, girls? Now let's see do. Do is used with plural pronouns. They, you, and we. They, you, and we, girls. Again, they, we, and you. Okay, girls? They, you, and we. For example, do they play football? Do they play football? Your answer should start with yes, they do. No, okay. Do you watch TV? Do you watch TV? Yes, I do. You couldn't say yes, you do. You should say yes, I do. Do we play basketball? Yes, you do. So, you should change you into I if you want to answer with yes or no. You should change we into you if you want to answer with yes or no. Okay, girls? So, Do is used with plural pronouns they, you, and we. Do they play football? Do you watch TV? Do we play basketball? Okay, girls? Now change into negative. What do I mean by negative? I mean not, girls. Add not to the sentence. Number one, she speaks English very well. She speaks English very well. I want to add not to this sentence. I should say, she doesn't speak English very well. She doesn't speak English very well. So I start with she. Okay, then look at the verb. The verb speaks. We have S at the end of the verb. This means that this is the present simple. So I should use she doesn't speak English very well. Okay, let's see the second sentence. They play football in the street. They play football in the street. You should say they. What should you use with they? Do, right? They don't play in the street. Okay, girls? So, she speaks English very well. She doesn't speak English very well. Look at the verb after do and does. It's infinitive without S, without ed. Okay, girls? Without ing also. They play football in the street. They don't play in the street. Now, change into yes-no questions. We will ask now using yes-no questions. We will start with do or does, okay? Now, she speaks English very well. You should say, does she speak English very well? Does she speak English very well? Does she speak English very well? So, here I should use does. Why? Because here we have she. Then the verb is without S. Does she speak English very well? The answer is yes, she does. No, she doesn't, for example. They play football in the street. Ask using yes-no questions. First of all, I have they. What should I use with they? I should use do. So, do they play football in the street? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Okay, girls? They play football in the street. We will start with do they play football in the street? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Okay, girls? Now, listen, please, girls. I want you to listen. Listen. Open your books first, page 21. Open your books, page 21, please, girls, and listen.
Exercise 1. Listen and practice. Verb helpers.
Do you?
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
Does he?
Yes, he does. No, he doesn't.
Does she?
Yes, she does.
No, she doesn't.
Do we?
Yes, you do.
No, you don't.
Do they?
Yes, they do.
No, they don't.
Okay, girls. Do you, for example, watch TV? Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Does he play football? Yes, he does, or you can say no, he doesn't. Does she read a book? Yes, she does, or no, she doesn't. Do we play tennis? Yes, you do. See, I change we into you. Okay, no, you don't. Do they play basketball? Yes, they do. No, they don't. Okay, girls? Now choose the correct answer here, or choose the correct question, sorry. Here, what can you see? Now, I want you to ask a question. Does she play tennis? Does she play basketball? Does she play volleyball? Or does she play football? The correct answer is what? Does she play tennis? So this is the right answer, girls. Now, let's see the second question. Choose the correct question, girls. Let's see the boy here. Does he play volleyball? Does he play basketball? Does he play tennis? Or does he play football? The correct answer is does he play football, of course. Okay, girls? Now, choose the correct question, girls. Here, what can you see? Now, let's make a question. Does he play volleyball? Does he play football? Does he play basketball? Or does he play tennis? Of course, does he play basketball? Okay, girls? Now, make a correct yes-no question. Okay? Now, what can you see here? I can see a girl watching TV. Now, what should I use with a girl? I should use he. Okay? So, I want to ask using yes no questions. What should I use with she? I should use she, right? Does she watch TV? Does she watch TV? Yes, she does. Okay? Does she watch TV? Yes, she does. Number 2. What can you see? I can see 2 persons reading a book. 1 and 2. What should I use? I should use they, right? No. What should I use with they? Do or does? Do. So, do they read a book? Yes, they do. Sorry, girls, here, yes, they do. Sorry. Yes, they do. Okay, girls? Yes, they do. Okay, girls? Now, what are the ball sports? What are the ball sports? We have. Let's see the definition of ball sports first. We can't play these sports without a ball. So, what are the ball sports? We have tennis, volleyball, basketball, football, and golf. Okay, girls? This is a golf. What are the individual sports? We can't play these sports without a ball, or we can't play this sport alone, girls. Now, let's see. What does she do? Ski. We call this sport ski. S-K-I. So what are the individual sports? We can play this sport alone. It's ski. S-K-I. 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 Okay, what about number 2? It's snowboard. S-N-O-W-B-O-A-R-D. It's individual sport. Okay? Number 3, it's jog. J-O-G. J-O-G. Okay, girls? It's an individual sports also. Now, what are the individual sports? We can play this sport alone. Ski, snowboard, ride a horse, jog. Okay, girls? Now, what about this, girls? It's pottery. P-O-T-T-E-R-Y. P-O-T-T-E-R-Y. And this, computer games. C-O-M-P-U-T-E-R-G-A-M-E-S. قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: علموا أولادكم السباحة والرماية وركوب الخيل. What did you understand from this hadith? We understood that we have to teach our children how to swim and how to ride a horse. Okay, girls? Now, what about this word? It's word games. W-O-R-D-G-A-M-E-S. Word games. Okay, girls? Now, I want you to open your books again.
Exercise 2. Listen, say, and do. Ball sports. Play. I play tennis. I play volleyball. I play basketball. I play football. I play golf. Individual sports.
I ski. I snowboard. I ride a horse. I jog.
Other activities. Do. Play. I do pottery. I do painting. I play computer games. I play word games.
Okay, girls. Challenge time. Can you ask 6 questions in 1 minute? Do you play tennis? Does your father play golf? Do you play computer games? Do you play word games? Does your brother do karate? Does your friend play computer games too? Okay, girls? We will ask these questions and answers in my life. Now, this is your homework, girls. This page and also this page. You have also another homework. What are your favorite sports? What are your favorite sports, girls? You should answer this question also. This is the end of my own lesson today. Thank you for listening and watching, and see you next time. Goodbye, girls. Goodbye.